Leadler Review. Hey there everyone, it's Amphase here from thefortuneblog.com and welcome to my Leadler Review. As you can see, I'm inside the members area of Leadler, and in this review I'm going to go over the product demo along with other important information such as pricing, upsells and much more. So in a nutshell, Leadler is your one-time cost autoresponder with which you can send unlimited emails, build profitable lists and attract your customers and make money off of them and much more. So if this interests you, then stick around as I'll be going into more detail. I've also prepared a set of custom bonuses for those of you who'd like to pick up a copy of Leadler via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. Once you click that link, you'll come through to my bonus review page that looks like this. Once you're on my bonus review page, you can click this link that says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. That'll bring you through to the sales page as you can see here. Once you're on the sales page, you can click this button that says click here for instant access to get your copy of Leadler along with all of the amazing bonuses I have prepared for you. This is interesting. I'll get back to it later. So before I go into the review, I would like to show you the bonuses I have prepared for you. So as you can see, you can get all of these bonuses that I have prepared for you. My first bonus is resale rights to traffic inclination. As you know, for any business, traffic is an invaluable resource, and you will be getting resale rights to traffic inclination, which is a foolproof traffic strategy, and you can use this for yourself or sell to others for profit. The next bonus is resale rights to free traffic frenzy. This is another traffic training that you can use for yourself or sell to others for profit. My third bonus is list building on steroids. This training is made by a multimillionaire who's doing this, following this training himself. So there's a lot of this is backed by lots of results as well. I'm sure you'll enjoy the training and you'll see results with it. My fourth bonus is the seven deadly sins of email marketing. As you know, email marketing is incredibly lucrative, but at the same time, there are many mistakes that people regularly make without knowing what's going wrong, and they don't see the results that others are seeing, and they think it's that email marketing is probably just not for them. But this training will help you identify if you're making any of these seven deadly sins, and you can prevent and not step into these potential pitfalls and get profit using email marketing. My next bonus is all of the 50 vendor bonuses with master resale rights, meaning you can sell it to others and you can keep all of the profits, and this is worth over $2,000. So as you can see here, all of these bonuses will be instantly delivered to you free of charge as long as you click any of these buttons that says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, which will bring you through to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick it up. Now before I go into the sales page, I would like to show you the actual real world value of Leadler. As you can see, it's a unique app that builds high converting profitable lists and send people mails and helps you interact with your customers. Now, as you can see, perhaps some people have autoresponders and perhaps you do too. So if you aren't already aware, autoresponders generally charge you monthly or on a yearly basis, and it adds up a lot because people use it for years and all, and it adds up. Some of the famous autoresponders go at almost 7.5 bucks a month, almost 10 a month, almost 10 a month, 19 a month, 20 a month, 25 a month. And mind you, these are probably the lowest packages they have available with lots of restrictions in place. On the other hand, Leadler has no restrictions as such in place, and you can get all of these at a one-time low cost. So as usual, I'll be going through the sales page right now, but you can go through it in your own time as well, as I'll be just skimming through it right now. As you can see, they're saying stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month on an old school autoresponder, and it's finally cracked. The brand new Aweber Killer lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for a low one-time fee. No monthly fee, no restriction, no skill or experience required, and you can build your list faster. So I'll show you in the demo how you can actually do this. As you can see, they are showing it's this three steps to get started with the email marketing heaven. Log in with ease and upload your list if you already have one. If you don't have one, you can use Leadler's one-click opt-in package to instantly start getting top quality leads as well. So either way, there is a solution for you, and you can start making money. You can start sending emails, and start making money. And you can even send SMS texts and social media messages to increase your conversions and your profits. As you can see, this is a comprehensive system, all for a one-time cost. So I'll quickly go through this. There's some features here as well. Some income proofs, more information, features, some bonuses that you'll be getting along with the bonuses I am offering you. A money back guarantee of 1 year that makes sure your investment is risk free. Plus, they have right, it's a no questions asked money back guarantee. And you have some helpful FAQ. So let's get right into the demo. As you can see, once you log into Leadler, you will see this dashboard with helpful statistics. Let's first go into integrations and see what we have. As usual, you can click support for any help that you require, training to maximize your use of Leadler, and you can access your bonuses here as well. So you can integrate with all of these networks with Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. You can just click add new and add them. So the next one is campaigns, and let's see what we have here. So let's just see what kind of campaign can we add. As you can see, you have some information here. You can manage social login networks, and you can add the campaign name, tags, description, the read write URL. You can enable GDPR if your customers are from Europe and those places, and you can use integrations for sync leads. And of course, there are some more details that seem quite technical, but as you know, you have training here for you, which will solve all of these details. And once you click the submit button, you'll be able to activate your campaign. As you can see, there are already some campaigns ready and they're already active, and there are also some social apps pre-integrated into them. So as you can see, the next one is links. Let's see what links have for us. So as you can see, in fact, let's just start and let's add a new link. So you can select a new campaign which you've created here. Let's choose demo. You can set a target URL. So I'll just set the target URL of my review and let's see what happens. And you can click fetch as well. And you can add the meta information and the information of the social apps that you add with integrations. And you can also add the other integrations as well using third-party apps. And you can customize it to your desire. The next one you have here is all leads. So right now, of course, this is a brand new account. You do not have any leads available. The next one is send unlimited emails. So as you can see, it will open up a new tab where you can start sending unlimited emails. As in the dashboard, you have a lot of statistics here that you can see all of these details that will help you a lot. The sending rate, delivery rate, bounce rate, open rate, click rate, unsubscribing rate. All of these statistics will really help you maximize your email marketing. And as you can see, you have some brands here as well. Let's see what is there inside of this. So you can add brands. Let's see what will happen. Okay, you can add the brand name, the short name, and you can choose a group as well. The brand group is obviously similar. Yes, of course, I believe you can also see your profile, the notifications and all. And here is, it's team access. So you can also give access to other teammates that you have or virtual assistants that you have. And you can manage your users as well. So as you can see, the next is training, of course, that you can go through the bonuses, the vendor bonuses, and the bonuses I'll be providing you as well. And you can, uh, you have the option of one-click access to support. So as you can see, this is all Leadler is about. It might seem a bit technical at glance when you're seeing all of those details, but at the same time, it shows how much you're getting for still low cost because all of those details, especially which you've seen send unlimited emails, they usually are not there for free. To see all the statistics, you will definitely have to pay in any autoresponder. In fact, you can go ahead and check it right now, and you will find my words to be true. As you can see, they have stayed true to their words. It's a one-click autoresponder with unlimited emails, unlimited lists, and many integrations as well. You can send SMS, you can send social media messages, and all of this is well worth. It's well worth 17 bucks, but I've showed you something here previously. I'll just quickly show you a cool little hack through which you can get another discount on the front end of Leadler. Of course, I love my subscribers and I want them to get the best deal. So I'm showing it to you. So let's just let the sales page load a bit and then I'll show you the hack. So all you got to do once the sales page loads is put your mouse cursor away from the screen. Once you do that, a pop-up will open that will give you a chance to get a discount on Leadler. and you can avail that discount and get a better bang for your buck. So as you can see here, you can simply put your mouse away from the away from the screen, and you can get a cool $3 discount. Meaning you only have to pay 14 bucks for Leadler for unlimited emails, unlimited lists, social media messaging, SMS, and all of the good stuff. And you have the options for some helpful upsells as well. As usual, these are completely optional. You can get them if you want to, but the front end itself is a complete product. So the first upsell is the Pro version, which goes at 32 or 27 with the discount. You can create unlimited campaigns, generate unlimited leads without any restrictions. So basically, the Pro version will eliminate some of the restrictions that were there on campaigns. So you might want to have this if you really want to increase the results you're seeing with email marketing, or if you have more leads or more ideas for more campaigns already. OTO2 is done for you templates at 57 or 47 with the discount. You get more done for you templates. These are proven to convert, of course. Done for you swipes that you can send in your emails, and done for you campaigns. So these are all proven to convert by people who are already doing this. And if you would like to get their help, of course, you can get this offer. The third OTO is the enterprise version that goes at 67 or 47 with the discount. And in this, the users have the ability to start a brand new business by providing lead generation service to clients. So in this case, you will be able to sell the service to others, and this will add up as another income source. So if you want to do this, you can do this, and it's an incredible way to make money as well. The next OTO4 is the done for you setup at 147 or $97 with a discount, and they basically do it all for you. So everything is done for you. The next is Fortune 500 Profit at $37 or $27, and you can grab 500 of their best selling products. This is right. I mean, 500 is a lot, right? But yeah, you can get 500 of their best selling products for 37 or 27 with the discount. UTO 6 is the golden membership going at $37 or 27 with the discount, and you can get the $1 million sold products for free with commercial license. Wow. UTO 7 and the final OTO is the reseller rights at 177 or $87 with the discount, and you can get 100% profit by selling Leadler to your clients, meaning you get 100% profits by selling throughout the entire funnel. All right. So these are the OTOs that are there as usual. All you need to do is simply get the front end to get access to all of my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses. And if you would like to make use of any of the upsells, you can do that as well. So I hope this was a helpful review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll help you out by answering them. So leave a like and subscribe for more regular reviews with stunning bonuses, and see you in the next one.